Hi, good morning. Ngayon ay Miyerkules, Pisa 3 ng Mayo, 2024. Tama? Ngayong araw na ito, mayroon akong napakagandang topic para sa inyo. Para sa iyo. 5 rules of happiness. Ihanda ninyo ang inyong mga ballpen at papel. Then jot it down. Jot them down. 5 rules of happiness. Di ba gusto natin masaya tayo? Sabi nga ni Mang Johnny, Juan Ponce Enrile, gusto ko happy ka. I want also to be happy. In my heart, ang puso ko, ang kasayahan ko ay maglingkod sa inyo. Ano ang number 1 na batas ng kasayahan? What is the number 1 rule of happiness? Number 1. Number 1 is if you like a thing, enjoy it. Kung gusto mong isang bagay, enjoy mo. So number 1, if you like a thing, enjoy it. What is number 2? Para maging masaya ka. If you don't like a thing, that's number 2. Avoid it. Kung hindi mo gustong isang bagay, iwasan mo. If you don't like a thing, avoid it. These things, itong mga topic natin, this is worth $300 in international seminar. Now, for me, I'll give you for free. Now, what is number 3? Number 3, if you don't like a thing, you cannot avoid it. Change it. Kung ayaw mo isang bagay, hindi mo pwede iwasan, palitan mo. Di ba? Now, number 4. What is number 4? Para maging masaya ka. If you don't like a thing, you cannot avoid it and change it. Accept it. That is number 4. Tanggapin mo. Kung hindi mo kayang iwasan, di mo kayang... Mayroon akong kwento. Pagkatapos ng mapasagot ko siya, this is love life ha, ay naging close kami. Pero mayroong iba na nagpapasaya. If I don't like a thing, I cannot avoid it and I cannot change it. Is accept it. Pagdating ng araw, ang puso ko nasa isang nilalang. Isang babae. Now, he's my companion until now. Mayroong umaagaw sa kanya. Pero nung matutunan ko ito, doon ako naging masaya. Dahil sa number 5. I don't like that thing. I cannot avoid it. Asawa ko na siya eh. Pinakasalan pa. Hindi ko pwede palitan. I cannot change it. So, tinanggap ko na siya. Hanggat naging ugali ko, I have a system, a 100 days of making a character. I accepted number 5 by changing my viewpoint of it. Nakita ko siya ang bigay ng boss natin sa taas. Siyang may bigay ng ama. So, until now, nung magkaroon ako ng challenge physically, siya ang sumasama sa akin, maglakad, araw-araw, since October last year, until now. Naging ugali ko na lumabas, maglakad, 3 ikot sa sports complex, then walking from residence, firstly, mga 20 minutes to sports complex. Then kada ikot, 5 minutes. Then 5 minutes cool down. I have 1 hour. Then I enjoyed it. Siya yun ang naging kasangkapan na unti-unti kong na-recover ang aking lakas. Because na-apektuhan na ang aking balance. So, pwede ko ba reviewin? Reviewin ko lang ha. Yung iba baka nakalimutan. Iba sa inyo. Number 1, if you like a thing, enjoy it. Number 2, if you don't like a thing, avoid it. Number 3, if you don't like a thing, you cannot avoid it, change it. Now, if you like a thing, you cannot avoid it, and you cannot change it, accept it. And number 5 is accept that thing by changing your viewpoint. So, nakita ko na 5 na-share ko na 5. Okay, that's all for today. Hindi ko nahabaan. Have a nice day. Take charge. Bye-bye.